Chemical properties of haloalkanes part 1. These chemical properties as follows: beta elimination and reaction with metals, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Mainly three parts: beta elimination, reaction with metals, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So today now we will discuss beta elimination and reaction with metals. Alpha beta elimination also it is known as, because the elimination takes place between alpha and beta carbons. This alpha beta elimination, what's happening here? Dehydrohalogenation. In the reagent already we discussed dehydrohalogenation. The reagent is KOH, alcoholic KOH. One more aqueous KOH is there, that aqueous KOH is hydrolysis. This alcoholic KOH is removal of HX. Okay, see the reaction. This alkyl halide react with alcoholic KOH forming alkene. Okay, the byproducts KX and H2O. KX and H2O. If you take ethyl bromide plus KOH, what's happening here? This H and Br, these will lose. What is the product? Of course, this ethene, H and Br will release, then you will get ethene. Yes. Next, what is the byproduct? Obviously KBr and water is the byproduct. So finally conclusion is alkyl halide से हम alkene prepare कर सकते from this, right? Now suppose isopropyl bromide is there. This isopropyl bromide reacting with alcoholic KOH, obviously dehydrohalogenation takes place. See, why we are calling this beta elimination? Because the hydrogen is removing from beta position. That's why it is a beta elimination also. Alpha beta elimination also some books are referred that, because the bond is forming between alpha carbon and beta carbon. What is alpha? The bromine, the halogen attached carbon is alpha. The next carbon is beta. The next to next is gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta means nothing but the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Next, the byproducts KBr and H2O. Okay. Give action of alcoholic potash on tertiary butyl bromide. Same procedure. If you take alcoholic KOH again, dehydrohalogenation takes place. Obviously you will get alkene, isobutylene. Sometimes the question will ask, they will give the product, they will ask you reactant. In that case what you will do, just you add HBr. Okay, suppose if you add HBr here for this reaction, suppose if you use that HBr, according to Markovnikov rule, where it will attack HBr, the Br minus and H is plus. The Br minus obviously will join at less number of hydrogen position. That means this position is Br will attack, here hydrogen will attack. Same product you will get it. Okay. Next, action of alcoholic KOH on 2-chlorobutane. Here important thing is, so which one is forming here? alkene, two possibilities are there. Okay, see, this chlorine is there, this chlorine right side H it can remove, or left side H also can remove. So in this situation we have to follow this Sedgwick rule. What is that Sedgwick rule? Hydrogen is eliminated from that beta carbon atom which has less number of hydrogen atoms. Where the less number is there hydrogen is released. Why it is released? See, हर एक रिएक्शन के पीछे एक रीजन होगा ही होगा. What is the reason here? More substituted alkene is more stable. More substituted alkene is more stable. Why? Because inductive effect, resonance, hyperconjugations, these are the reasons. Okay, so if you don't know the reason, just we are following Sedgwick rule. वो Sedgwick rule मतलब क्यों दिया है? मतलब it is, the reason is here. Suppose if you write one more product here, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3, this is the minor product. Of course it is also forming, it is the major product. But 2ene is the major, but 1ene is the minor. Here there is no donors here. Okay, here more hyperconjugations. See alpha hydrogens, how many alpha hydrogens here? Alpha hydrogens only 2 hyperconjugations, but here 3 plus 3, total 6 hyperconjugations are there. The stability, कभी भी stability is directly proportional to resonance structures. Resonance. If resonance more is there, obviously stability will be more. Next, what is the product here? Major product. Just now we saw that but-2ene, 2-butene, but-2ene, both are same. Next, which of the following reaction is the product when alkyl halide reacts with alkali KOH? The commonly asking. So obviously alkene is forming. Next, chemical properties of haloalkanes with metals. Okay, this is second point, is with metals. See that metals, named reaction is there, important reactions. Reaction with metals, the first one, which metal? That is sodium metal, Urge reaction. Urge reaction. Next, this RX react with with magnesium, that is Grignard's reagent, very important reagent. So many compounds we can prepare from this Grignard reagent. Now, reaction with metals, sodium. So what's happening here? The carbon chain is increasing. It becomes double. How it becomes double? You can see, if I take RX 2 moles, then this sodium and X is releasing as sodium chloride, and these 2 R groups are joining here. 2 R groups are joining alkane. So here the problem is methane cannot be prepared by Urge reaction. Symmetrical alkane is the major product for Urge reaction. Only symmetrical alkane. Note point is, in this reaction, when zinc metal is used, then it is known as Frankland reaction. Same Frankland reaction and Urge reaction, same as it is reaction, but the thing is here sodium we are using, in the Frankland we are using zinc. What are the problems here? We cannot prepare methane because minimum 2 molecules are combining. 2 molecule combining means the basic first compound is ethane. Okay, yes, Urge reaction. this alkyl halide reacting with sodium and in the presence of dry ether. This solvent also important. It's a dry ether. Why not aqueous? Aqueous with sodium is explosive with aqueous. That's why we are taking dry ether, and these are forming RR, alkane. So to prepare higher alkanes, we are using this Urge reaction method. Example, if you take methyl bromide 2 moles, so this Br and sodium and Br, these two are eliminating and forming methane plus methyl, that is ethane is forming, ethane. Okay, next, suppose if you take ethane, what you will get? Ethyl bromide and ethyl bromide, you will get butane. Yes, same, just what to do? Bromine and sodium, just you have to remove. Then these R groups, this R group and this R group is combining R bond R. This is the simple reaction. In the presence of dry ether, we are using. So here carbon chain becomes double. Okay, suppose if the question is there, prepare hexane, then what you have to take? Propyl chloride. So Urge reaction, this method is not useful for two different RX, as it results in formation of different alkanes. Okay, suppose if you take two different alkyl halides, one is methyl bromide, one is ethyl bromide. In this case, you will get odd number of hydrocarbon chain also, but the problem is you will get more than one compound. Okay, so the yield automatically decreases, yield is less. See here, methyl bromide is there, ethyl bromide is there, this bromine and this bromine can release, and this methyl and ethyl can combine, so we are getting ethyl plus methyl. Where is that ethyl methyl? मतलब here, this one. But ये तो जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so one more possibility. See, we are taking the 3 moles methyl bromide, 3 moles ethyl bromide, means so crores of the molecules are there. In that case, it's not compulsory to react with only ethyl bromide. So methyl bromide may react with methyl bromide also. Methyl bromide, it may react with one more methyl bromide also. So just like Urge reaction only is NaBr releasing and forming methyl and methyl. That means ethane is forming. You can see the first one. Okay, so one more chance also is there. This ethyl bromide is there. This ethyl bromide and one more ethyl bromide also, it may react, ethyl bromide. So these ethyl bromide plus ethyl bromide, these ethyl 2 groups are combining and forming 4 carbon chain. That 4 carbon chain is known as butane. Okay, next, chemical properties of haloalkanes. Now reaction with metals. Of course, Grignard reagent, RMGX. The general formula of Grignard reagent is RMGX. How to prepare this RMGX? Alkyl halide reaction with magnesium is forming RMGX. These are highly reactive metals. That's why the solvent is generally we are taking dry ether. In case of Urge reaction and Franklin reaction, and this Franklin में इतना highly reactive है नहीं, but in sodium and especially S block elements are highly reactive. So we need to take dry ether is the solvent. Okay, RMGX is the Grignard reagent. It is also known as alkyl magnesium halide. This last point is very, very important. Organometallic compound. What is this organometallic compound? Organometallic compound means the organic compound. Organic compound. What is that organic compound? मतलब the carbon chain. Okay, this carbon chain is directly attached with metals, organic compound directly attached with metals. This combination is there, that is called organometallic compounds. See here, Rc and Mg, carbon connected with magnesium, that's why it is organometallic compound. Next, make a note, instead of ether, tetrahydrofuran. What is the tetrahydrofuran? This is the tetrahydrofuran. Or anisole. What is the anisole? Benzene ring plus OCH3 can be used in the preparation of Grignard reagent. Generally तो ether लेते, but in place of ether you can take these compounds also. Next, see, Rx and that means Urj reaction. From this Urj reaction you have to prepare butane. So which alkyl halide you will take? Very simple. First you write butane structures. This is the butane structure. Just you break it half. Okay, ethyl. So obviously ethyl chloride you have to take. Methyl chloride, ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride is the answer. So B is the answer. Next, which metal is used in Grignard reagent? Sodium, magnesium, obviously magnesium. Next, formation of Grignard's reagent. Rx react with magnesium, pure dry ether and forming RMgX. The next, methyl iodide is there, of course, same RMgI. Okay, next, bromine is there, same RMgBr. Maximum times we will take this RMgBr. Okay, however we are not taking that fluorine. What is the major product of Urj reaction? Urj reaction, symmetrical alkane, because if you take 2 carbon chain then 4, if you take 3 carbon chain 6, so always symmetrical alkane is forming. Action of alcoholic potash on isopropyl chloride, we get isopropyl chloride means this is the isopropyl chloride. Action of alcoholic KOH, what will happen? Alcohol ज़्यादा पीते तो क्या होता है? Elimination, cancer, sorry, liver will be eliminate. So here HX will be eliminate, HX. So what is the product here? Like this. So 1, 2, 3, propene. Which of the following Grignard's reagent with water gives methane? See, Grignard reagent, here one important point you have to note down. Grignard reagent RMgX react with acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen is giving alkane. So what are the acidic hydrogens? You have to know that, even including water. See, more acidic hydrogen means, first of all, acidic hydrogen means the hydrogen which is attached to more electronegative atom. Okay, more En. The hydrogen which is attached to more electronegative atom. So here example HOH, obviously oxygen, then HCl, especially HF, then like this nitrogen is there, hydrogen bonded with nitrogen, then this hydrogen bonded with even C triple bond C carbon also, because it is sp hybridized carbon, more electronegative. Okay, more electronegative, like this. In these cases, in even alcohol and phenol, these all hydrogen is connected with more electronegative atom. So in this case it can receive the hydrogen and the Grignard reagent is forming just alkane. Okay, right. Now the question is, water gives a methane. मीथेन देने वाला कौन है? सिर्फ H लेके वो मीथेन बनते हैं. So all. Action of alcoholic potash on 2-chlorobutane. First you write the structure. This is the 2-chlorobutane. So we will get, generally more substituted alkene is more stable. So double bond we will get it here, but2-ene. Okay, right. Chemical properties of haloalkanes, part 3. Chemical properties. Nucleophilic substitution reaction we will discuss in the next class, the next video. Nucleophilic substitution reactions.